Since I don't let it down.
Very good.
And
And
now,
what is this one?
this one
Yeah.
is a loader truck.
Okay. What does it do?
I mean,
Yeah.
let me show you something. See? And give it to that.
Wow.
You know what this is called?
No.
Any ideas?
No, you tell.
This is called a pay. This is called a bucket, and also this is called a rock.
Okay.
It can lift everything.
Uh,
So I do with the here.
Okay.
It's a lot. I need to lower the crane.